there's not necessarily the initial damage caused by the floods. The issue is the ongoing issues deriving from the floods. So from an animal health perspective, for argument's sake, a lot of weight gains, animal health issues, all those things that could run on for 2 years or even generations of our stock.
Thanks.
I've kept an open mind. I generally don't get stressed out about those things. I probably lack someone to talk to. I spend a lot of time on my own. So I don't think that's healthy. It is isolated, and I don't think enough people realise how lonely a farmer can get. So, and I like these sort of events for catching up with someone, because the days of having a beer down at the pub are gone for around here. There's not many young farmers about here. So, social interaction is an issue. Yeah. Every dog's got its own personalities. So that's sort of how you treat them. Now, this thing here, you can pat it all day. But this thing won't move your side all day. That dog in there is my oldest dog, and she's as faithful as they come. So, they've each got their personalities. We've got dog boxes on our utes, so they're with us every day. You've got a mate out the paddock. So, they've all got their own personalities. So, it's definitely a good thing from a mental health status. They're your mates.